sexy for my shoes. Too sexy for my shoes. So sexy, it hurts.
Let's just see what shoes was.
Are you guys checking out the Jordans?
We busted. How many shoes did you buy from Tokyo?
I bought four, I think four,
Damn.
something like that.
Yeah, these are
Really nice.
These are nice.
Well, I
shoes.
bought that one first.
This one.
No,
Yeah.
actually before that, so in the box, a fan sent me that Air Jordan as a gift. Underneath it, the one in the box.
This one?
Yeah, this one Air Jordan.
Yeah. Oh my God.
And then I haven't had a Jordan for a long time. Maybe when I was in like high school, something like that. So that's the Air Jordan.
You got some big fans, I tell you.
Yes, so very, very kind. So they sent me just as a gift.
Yes.
And so then I bought that one, the one on the very far left in Japan.
Yep.
That is so cool, right?
Yeah, these are nice.
These are nice.
These are.
And he has that classic kind of a look.
Yes.
It's not like the modern. I
Yeah.
prefer the classic look. Then I thought, well, I'll get the red one. It is very hard to get. And then I thought maybe I'll just get a black one because I like black.
And
black.
you're getting these at like different stores, right? Like in
Black different stores. I walk in different store.
Yeah.
I bought that one, the black. And I thought, well, the black and gold is nice. Maybe I just get a black kind of the little bit of the velvet, right? So I bought the third one. Then finally, I saw this one. This is Air Jordan 1. I thought, oh my God, I gotta have these ones. And you can see the
lacing.
the lacing is
Totally different.
Yeah.
that one I probably won't wear, just collection. Now you think this is cool? Check this out.
What would you get? What's this?
Check this out. Boom!
Oh, damn! Where'd you get this?
This one,
That's freaking cool.
this one I bought,
Yeah.
which is the Air Jordan signature.
Yeah.
Love this one because this is the old jersey, not the new one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the Chicago,
Yes.
not the Bulls, right? And usually Jordan signature is not as big.
Yeah.
So this one is a very big signature.
Special edition.
Yeah. As you can see,
Authentic
yeah,
signature,
1984, 1985. So I thought that shoes might go well when I displayed it underneath here.
Dan, I gotta ask you, like, you got so many Jordan shoes, now you got this.
Yeah.
Why do you need so much of this stuff?
I don't even know.
What's the deep psychological reason? I know you like to get deep, Sifu. Let's do some self-analysis.
Steven's going for the copywriting angle.
Got
I
the
think
marketing.
just because he can. It's
Yes, I have to ask. I want to know.
I think I'm always supposed to be, both, I'm Bruce Lee fan, right? Huge
Yes.
Bruce Lee fan. So when I came to Canada, because I got beat up in bowling, so one night I was watching Return of the Dragon, then I got hooked, I became a Bruce Lee fan.
Yeah.
Before Bruce Lee, I was a huge Michael Jordan fan when I was in high school, right? Because I would play basketball 3-4 hours a day. I had little Michael Jordan shoes and all that. So I don't know, I'm always inspired by people who are like top of the game, like Jordan, Bruce Lee, Muhammad Ali, like those type of Michael Jackson. Somehow the iconic character I'm always very attracted to. So I saw this actually in Vegas.
Yeah.
I thought that's cool.
You know what I've learned about you is that you always surround like your office, right? The interview, the videos we've done of the office stuff. You surround yourself with like champions. Like
Yes.
people who are like A players, triple A players, right? I think you relate to the struggle that they've gone through. That
They inspire me.
They
They just
absolutely
when I look at these things, they just inspire me, right? And of course, Jordan as a personal brand, like his dedication to basketball. Yeah, I just love it. But it goes also to show from marketing perspective. You would think someone who bought one pair of shoes,
Yes.
that person will not buy another one.
Yeah.
Goes back to sell them more what they just bought, right? Bought another one, and chances are that I would keep buying. They would be, I'm bet if I see another Jordan, kind of like a slightly different color, red, black, little variation, that's cool, I'll buy more of that, right? And then, or maybe a black one, a slight variation, I'll buy that one too. And before you know it, you're buying a whole bunch of them. Now, technically, logically, I won't wear most of them. I'll wear like maybe one or two. I don't wear sneakers that much. So, but just for collection, it's fulfilling an emotional need. It's not a logical need, right?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Right. Nobody needs 4 or 5 pairs of Jordans. No. This definitely is nobody needs this. But just it's a cool thing to have, right?
it is. Going back to that marketing lesson that can be learned, what I've learned from you as well is like a lot of times as entrepreneurs, people try to keep, they keep trying to find new customers rather than actually leveraging or building that relationship with the existing customers.
Yes.
Because those are more likely to buy from you.
Now, that's a good story because the guy,
Yeah.
the closer, who sold me this.
Yes.
So I bought a bunch of these, right? I bought one for Justice League. I
Yes.
bought one for the Avengers or the signature, right?
Yeah.
So he kept texting me stuff. Hey, here's something new.
Yeah.
Here's something new. So he's smart
Yeah.
because he knew what I bought a whole bunch, and you would think, wow, he has enough. He's running out of room. No, he kept updating me. Hey, here's something that here's a Batman one. Here's another one. Here's another variation. He just keeps sending me stuff.
Did you turn him down? Did you know, like, you didn't buy everything, right?
No, I didn't buy everything.
So even though you turned him down a couple times,
But then he would ask me what else I'm looking for.
Got it.
What he's very smart because he is asking me not what things I want to buy.
Yeah.
He's asking what character I like.
Oh, that's
Right?
cool.
So okay, you like Muhammad Ali, you like Jordan, you like Michael Jackson, you like certain character, Marvel character or Batman. Got it.
then he uses his network, his resources.
It just keeps
to
finding
source it.
stuff, right?
Yeah.
Keep finding stuff for me,
Oh, this
right?
guy's smart.
It's like different variations.
He's providing value. He's adding
Very
value
cool.
in
Yes.
what-
Oh, and he's saying, of course, these kind of like signature, these kind of items. It's only got one. It's only got one, right?
Exclusivity.
It's only
Yeah.
got one, right?
Scarcity.
Yeah. So I know he's using the trick on me,
Yeah.
but
Taking HTC, right?
yeah, I mean, he's taking my closers
You probably
program.
just want to buy from him just because you know he. You know,
But he's cool, and
closing
actually,
well.
I have to say he takes good care of his customers. The wrapping is good, the shipping is all detailed, tracking. He gives me a very good deal. Also, he throws in a bunch of stuff like added value. Example, I bought a Muhammad Ali signature signed glove, which is very rare.
Yeah.
Right, very rare. I think that's for that particular one.
He even got the photo of Muhammad Ali.
Yeah. So that's
Oh, no.
Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Muhammad Ali, that one, but that one is a very unique glove. I think it's only one in the world. And so he also threw in like a box, a display box,
Yeah.
that kind of thing. That's cool.
Wow. Okay.
That's pretty
so
cool.
I guess if we would ask, what did you learn from here? Let's see if people are paying attention. Write in the comments or something.
I don't think so.
What are some of the key lessons to take?
The key
away?
lesson is
Or were you just focusing on the shoes?
Jordan is cool. Jordan is cool.